Today we will discuss a new draw, that is Express Entry Draw PNP. Canada invited 1070 PNP candidates, made new record, guys. On February 2, Canada welcomed 1070 Express Entry applicants seeking to immigrate to the country. IRCC only invited candidates from the provincial nominee program. The comprehensive ranking system required a minimum score of 674. PNP candidates' score are immediately boosted by 600 points when they receive their nomination, which is why the score is significantly higher than typical all programs draw. Without the nomination, lowest scoring candidates would have been elected with only 74 CRS points. The new draw exceeds the previous record for the largest PNP only draw, which took place on January 19 and had 1036 PNP candidates who were invited, and after that they had 60 days to apply for permanent residency. How can you immigrate to Canada through Express Entry in 2022? For the time being, Canada is planned to simplify PNP draws. Immigration Minister Sean Fraser did not say when Canada would resume Express Entry draws for candidates who are eligible for other programs such as Canadian Experience Class, the Federal Skilled Worker Program, and the Federal Skilled Trade Programs, while announcing measures to improve the immigration system. He assured reporters, though, that the stoppage is just temporary. Just let me tell you a little bit about Express Entry, how this system works. The Canadian Experience Class, the Federal Skilled Worker Program, and the Federal Skilled Trade Programs are all part of the Express Entry application management system. In Express Entry pool, PNP applicants have already qualified for one of these programs. Express Entry ranks candidates' profile using a point-based mechanism, which is known as comprehensive ranking system. Candidates with the highest score receives invitation to apply, and that invitation to apply they use for permanent residency after. After an applicant submits an application, IRCC officer evaluates it and make a decision. The officer will seek biometrics and may schedule an interview or require more documents. IRCC gives a confirmation of permanent residence if the application is granted. Permanent residents who have been approved can then finish the landing procedure. If they are outside of Canada, they can take advantage of pre-arrival programs to assist them in taking the initial steps toward settling in Canada. IRCC has presented an example who has been invited for this draw. The following is a hypothetical scenario involving someone who obtained an ITA in the new Express Entry draw. Len is a person who was 39 years old, has a bachelor's degree, has work experience as a construction manager for past 6 years. Len has a strong command of the English language, but he never worked in Canada or studied in Canada. CRS score was 386 when he entered the Express Entry pool. Through Alberta Express Entry route, she just won a provincial nomination. Her revised CRC score of 986 would have qualified her for an ITA in the new Express Entry draw. Let me show you this by a diagram. It will be more clear in understanding how this system works. I have put the situation here. Len here, 39 years old. She has a bachelor degree. Yes, she was a construction manager and had 6 years experience. She had good command on English language. She had no Canadian experience and no study here. And her CRS score was 386 when she entered in Express Entry profile. In the profile, she mentioned that she was interested in settling, living and working in the province of Alberta. That's why Alberta nominated her, and through that nomination she automatically got 600 additional points. So guys, I want to show you a diagram how this Express Entry system works, So this is the Express Entry pool here. First of all, you have to create your profile and you have to enter your all information in the pool, and you must have to qualify in one of these programs: CEC, Canadian Experience Class Program, or Federal Skilled Worker Program, or Federal Skilled Trade Program. Okay, once you have qualified, okay, then you will get CRS score on the basis of your age, education, experience, and etc. etc. So in this way, Len got 386 CRS score. So the same time she mentioned in the poll that she is interested in living and working in Alberta, in the province of Alberta. So AINP, Alberta Immigration Nominee Program, picked her up from the Express Entry pool and sent her nomination. When she got nomination, she got automatically 600 points. So this 600 plus 386 became 986. That was good enough to get invitation to apply. So hope you understood how this Express Entry system works. This is Khalil. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon button to get new videos on time. If you found this information helpful, then give a big thumb to this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.